Updating your corporate address on Payoneer is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Visit the Payoneer website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Business Information. In the Settings menu, find and select Business Information. This section contains your corporate details, including your address. Step 4. Update your address. Look for the address field and enter your new corporate address. Make sure all information is accurate and complete to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation message once the update is successful. Make sure to review your information periodically to keep it up to date. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Payoneer's customer support for assistance.